Here we go with solving another type of equation, one which has a rational or fractional exponent. Here are the steps. First, you will isolate the term or the expression that has that fractional exponent. Then you raise both sides of the equation to the reciprocal of the original exponent. That means I'm going to flip the original exponent. I would then simplify and solve. Here's an example. I know that the x has a fractional exponent, and it is isolated already. So I will flip or take the reciprocal of 5/2, and that will give me 2/5. Raise both sides of this equation to the 2/5 exponent. Now watch what happens with the fractions. I can cross-cancel the 2, cross-cancel the 5, and I'm left with simply x equals 243 to the 2/5 exponent. Now you can put that in your calculator and get the answer. However, if you remember, the bottom number will tell me the radical index number. And the top number is the true exponent. So this actually means the 5th root of 243, and then whatever you get squared. Now, like I said, you could just type this in your calculator if you have a scientific calculator. And when you type that in, you do get the answer of 9. However, the reason that's 9 is because the 5th root of 243 is 3. And 3 squared gives us the 9. So 9 is my final answer. Here's another example where you have not a single term x, but the expression. I will still take the reciprocal or flip this 2/3. So when I flip that or take the reciprocal, that's 3/2. So I raise both sides of the equation to the 3/2 exponent. Now again, watch what happens. The 3 would cross cancel, the 2 would cross cancel, leaving just x minus 3. And that would equal to 4 to the 3/2 power. Now this bottom number 2, the denominator, that means that I have a square root, and I also have an exponent of 3. You could put this in the calculator, as I said before, but be careful. Anytime you're solving and you take the square root of a number, then the square root of that 4 is plus or minus 3. We need to include both possibilities. Now, look at what we have here. We have x minus 3 equals a positive 2 cubed, or x minus 3 equals a negative 2 cubed. Now, positive 2 cubed is 8. Negative 2 cubed is negative 8. And if we solve, we add 3 to both sides. So x equals 11 is one solution. Add 3 to both sides. X equals negative 5 is the second solution. I hope this has helped.